Hello students, the last video we understood about this similar triangle concepts about similar triangles, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, and converse of BPT, converse of Thales theorem. Today we shall solve some important problems regarding that BPT and its converse. Let us consider one problem. If a line intersects sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively, and DE is parallel to BC, we have to prove that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Here it is clear that DE is parallel to BC according to BPT. So if a line is drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, divides the other two sides proportionally. So by using that component, we can prove this problem. As it is given that D is parallel to BC, according to BPT, we can say AD by DB is equal to AE by CE. So we have to prove that AD by AB is equal to AE by CE. Therefore, take the reciprocal of the ratio, we get DB by AD is equal to CE by AE. So adding 1 on both sides, we get dB by AD plus 1 is equal to CE by AE plus 1. By taking the LCM, we get dB plus AD by AD is equal to CE plus AE by AE. So observe this figure. dB plus AD gives AB here, and AE plus CE gives total length AC. Therefore dB plus AD is AB and CE plus AE is AC. Therefore AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So take the reciprocal of the ratio, we get the proof, that is AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. In this way we can prove the particular problems. So you have to understand the problem clearly first, what they are given and what we have to prove. So then only it is very easy to apply the BPT here. Let us consider one more problem. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD. E and F are points on non-parallel sides AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. We have to show that AE by ED is equal to FB by FC. So as ABCD is a trapezium, we cannot apply directly the BPT to this trapezium. We have to get the triangles. So for my convenience, I am going to join AC for my proof here. So by construction, join AC to intersect EF at G. So we are getting the triangles now. So as AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to AB, obviously EF is parallel to CD here. EF is parallel to DC. Consider the triangle ADC. Triangle ADC here, GE or EG is parallel to DC. Since EF is parallel to DC, G is point on EF, hence EG parallel to DC. So apply the BPT here. AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. That is, by BPT we can get AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. So similarly in triangle, let us call that ratio as 1. So similarly in triangle ACB, we get the ratio in triangle CAB. So GF is parallel to AB, FG is parallel to AB. Therefore again by applying this BPT for this triangle, CG by GA, CG by AG is equal to CF by FB here. So by applying BPT for that, CG by AG is equal to CF by FB. So observe here, again take the reciprocal of that ratio, we get AG by GC is equal to FB by FC. So observe here, let us call this as also ratio number 2. By observing 1 and 2, we get, you see here AG by GC same. AG by GC in the 1 and 2, that is same. Therefore AE by ED is equal to FB by FC. We get from 1 and 2, we get AE by ED is equal to FB by FC. In this way we can prove the statement here. So let us consider one more problem. In the figure, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. It is very important problem, repeated problem. You have to study thoroughly this one. So all these problems are important for the sake of examination. So again, consider here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, ACB are same here. LM is parallel to BC, it is given. So ML is parallel to BC, we can apply BPT for this one. That is AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. You see here, this AC is common for both the triangles, that you have to observe in the previous example also, previous problem also. You have to see the figure and formation of the figure. You can clearly prove the required things here. You see here AC is common. Based on that, AM by MB is equal to AL by LC here, ratio. That is by applying BPT we get that ratio. Let us call that ratio as 1. Similarly in the other side of the triangle, so that is the triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, again LN is parallel to CD. It is given in the problem itself. By applying BPT for this triangle, that is AL by LC is equal to AN by ND, we can get. Observe, let us call that as ratio number 2. So we observe here in the from 1 and 2, AL by LC is same. AL by LC is same. Therefore AM by MB, from equation 1 and 2 we can get AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. So that is the proof of this problem. So let us consider one more problem. You see here, it is very different. It is a different problem. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. We have to state whether F is parallel to QR. It is given that PE is equal to 4 centimeter, EQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PF is 8 centimeter, and RF is 9 centimeter. So by using the data, we have to state whether this EF, line EF, is parallel to QR or not. For that, as in triangle PQR, it is, let us consider the ratio to check the parallel line, to check this parallel line whether that is EF is parallel to QR or not. By using the converse of BPT, we can state this one. That is PE by EQ. You take the ratio PE by EQ. So values are given here. This PE is 4 centimeter and EQ is 4.5 centimeter. So take that one, substitute. So multiplying and dividing by 10, we get, to remove this decimal point, I am making easy this one. Multiply and divide by 10, we get 40 by 45. 10 4s are 40. 10 into 4.5 gives 45. Here by 5 it will goes. 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. 8 by 9 we get. So similarly in the other side, that is other ratio, PF by FR we see. So and PF by FR also, PF is 8 and FR is 9, it is given here. So here the ratios are same here, 8 by 9, 8 by 9. So this PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. We can see this one. The value is same. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, that is equal to 8 by 9. So since the ratios are same, see ratios are equal here, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we say that EF is parallel to QR, as it says that converse of BPT, you know, if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in proportion, then that line is parallel to the third side of the triangle. So by using that converse of BPT, we can prove this one. We can state whether that EF is parallel to QR or not. So very important problems these are all. Let us go for one more problem, very important problem. So it is also repeated problem, 2-3 times it is repeated. So last year it was not asked. You have to learn this one also. This figure you see here in triangle ABC, again DF DE, first you consider this DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE here. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE here. We have to prove that FB by FE, FB by FE is equal to BE by C. By using those concepts, that is basic proportionality theorem itself, we have to prove this one. So you see in triangle ABC it is given that DE is parallel to AC, first parallel side here, first one, D is parallel to AC. Apply BPT here. So by using BPT, by applying BPT, BE by EC, BE by EC is equal to BD by AD here. So by using BPT, the one more parallel side is given, that is in triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE here. DF is parallel to AE. Therefore, by applying BPT, we get FB by FE. FB by FE is equal to BD by AD. In this problem, the common side is AB, AD and AB and BD here. Common ratio is AD and AD by DB or DB by AD. Here the common ratio is DB by AD is equal to DB by AD here. From 1 and 2, we get by observing 1 and 2, we get this FB by FE is equal to BE by C. So in this way we can prove the problems. In the examination you will get 2 or 3 marks for this problem. So again consider one more problem. In this figure it is also very important problem. In this figure D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. We have to show that EF is parallel to QR here. EF is parallel to QR. Again here both the sides in triangle POQ you have to consider again, and POR you have to consider. In these two triangles you see here, the parallel side is here, another parallel sides are here. You can consider POQ and POR. Apply BPT for those two, you will get conversely you can get the required thing. In first we shall consider the triangle PQO. In triangle POQ or PQO, ED is parallel to OQ here. ED is parallel to OQ. QO. Apply this BPT here. Here the common side is, again common ratio you will get PD and OD here. PD by OD. You see here in this triangle, therefore PE by EQ. PE by EQ is equal to PD by OD or DO. Call that ratio as 1. So similarly in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Apply BPT for the triangle. You get PD by OD. PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. So by observing 1 and 2, you get PD by OD is same. PD by OD is same for those two triangles, common side. From 1 and 2, we get PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So if PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, if the line divides the two triangles in same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side, no? By using that component, EF is parallel to QR for the bigger triangle here. F is parallel to QR, we can say. In this way we can solve some problems here. So many problems are there. So many questions are there in the exercise. You can prove those things based on this. Also in the next video also we are going to solve some more problems. For this today, take these two problems for your homework. So it is in the figure, D is parallel to BC, A is equal to 1.8 centimeter, C is equal to 5.4 centimeter, DB is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Find AD. Simple problem. You can solve this one. So that is first problem. Take the ratios of the sides, substitute the values, strike out from the table. You can get the answer here by simplification. In the second problem, in the figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. Here O, it is missed here, central here O, it is, this is O, center. O is missing, you have to consider it as O here. That is OP, OQ and OR. Centroid of this triangle is O here, respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ, AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR. You have to show that BC is parallel to QR, BC parallel to QR. You have to prove. Take these two for the today's homework. That's all. So this is how. Thank you. In the next video we shall solve some more problems. Thank you very much.